session, we are going to talk about the seasons and the weather. This is a very interesting and important topic because if you know the seasons and weather, you can at least express and talk, start the talking with someone. This can be a starter for every conversation. Like if you're talking about the seasons, then the weather about the Germany. Then if randomly you are meeting someone, you can just talk about the normal these nature things. So in this, we are going to learn about the seasons in Germany, about the seasons, how we say in German, vocabularies, and some of the expressing sentences. So first of all, seasons in Germany. In German lands, there is a collision of two climate areas, maritime and continental climate, makes significant difference between nature of northern and the southern parts of the country. Northern part is covered by arable fields. For the needs of agriculture, almost all forests of this region were cut down. Southern part is completely opposite. It covered with coniferous forest and bright alpine vegetations. This is a location of the Bavarian forest, one of the most famous European national park. Germany's animal world is not very diverse and represented mostly by forest animals like moose, boars, hares, foxes, etc. Let's directly see what are the seasons we have in German. So first of all, in German we call spring as Frühling, Frühling, summer, Sommer, autumn as Herbst, and winter as winter. The German spring runs from March to May, summer is from June through to August, and autumn is during the month of September, October, and November. German winters are between December and February. The German clock and calendar does adhere to the rules of daylight savings. Let's see. First of all, let me tell you that season's name in German called as Jahreszeiten. Jahreszeiten. If we literally change it in German, in English, that is year's time. But as per the German name, it is season's name. So through spring might not be the first season of the year, it's nice to look forward to the Blühenden Blumen, the blooming flowers, the Zwitschrenden Vögel, the chirping birds, the grünen Landschaften, the green landscapes, and the baby creatures seeing the world for the first time. Spring also brings with its expressions like the Frühlingsgefühle, spring fever, and Frühjahrsputz, that means spring cleaning. German takes advantage of the warm weather to rise and travel to neighboring countries, erkunden, explore places they have never been, and visit loved ones in Ausland abroad. You can expect a humid heat in the German summer. Rain still falls even through the chilly breeze of the spring has given to warm summer nights. Traditional music festivals called the Musiktage fill up June, July, and August. That are also called as Bachfest, that is Bach Festival. Autumn. Autumn is all about the music, street performances, and the to celebrate the pride specific to Germany Tag. That's called as Tag der Deutschen Einheit, German Unity Day. That is extremely important in this season. Winter. Winter is all about the winter mantel, that is a winter coat, Handschuhe, the gloves, Schal, that is scarf, and Stiefel, that is boots, and popping on the Mütze. Mütze is the hat. You will want to spend time plaudern, that is chatting, spielen, playing games, and enjoying the life with those who you care about the most. And if you are out in the Christmas markets looking for the Geschenke, that is the presents, there are plenty of the Getränke, the drinks, to stock the embers inside your belly too. Here are some vocabularies and the expressions like summer is der Sommer, autumn der Herbst, cloud the Wolke, cold kalt, it is hot, es ist heiß. We can express it as es ist heiß. It is sunny, es ist sonnig. It is cloudy, es ist befjoggt. It is raining, es regnet. it is windy. S is windish. Good weather, gutes Wetter. What is the temperature? We feel grad ist es. We feel grad ist es. Winter, der Winter. Spring, der Frühling. Sky, der Himmel. Rainbow, der Regenbogen. Hot weather, that is heiß Wetter. We can also say heiß Wetter. It is cold, es ist kalt. It is humid, es ist schwül. Schwül. It is snowing, es schneit. How is the weather? Wie ist das Wetter? Bad weather, schlechtes Wetter. It is 24 degrees, that is es ist 24 Grad. Here comes another expression, like if it is very it's bad, like es ist schlecht means bad. Es ist klar, it is clear. Es ist schön, it is beautiful. Here the schön spelling you have to correct it. It should be SCHO umlaut N. So it is SC. Es ist stürmisch, that means thundering. Es regnet, it rains. Es schneit, it's snow. Es ist befolgt, it's pleasant. Es ist windish, it is windy. Es ist sonnig, it is sunny. Es ist kalt, it is cold. Es ist warm, it is warm. And es ist heiß, that is hot. Here are some of the weather conditions and the seasons in German. So like here we have all Frühling, Sommer, Herbst, Winter. That is spring, summer, fall and winter. The Sonne is sun. Der Regen, Nieselregen, Schneeregen. Rain, drizzle and sleet. Der Schnee, the snow. Der Blitz, lightning. Der Hagel, hail. Regenbogen, that is rainbow. Wolke, that is cloud. Wind or Sturm, that is wind or storm. Himmel as sky. Niederschlag, perception. Die Tageshöchsttemperatur, that means daily high and low temperature. So for high it's Höchsttemperatur, for low it is Tagestiefsttemperatur. Windgeschwindigkeit, that is wind speed. Glatteis, that is black ice. Here are some of the lines which help you to express your feelings related to the weather. Mir ist so kalt, warm, heiß oder kühl. When we say I am feeling too cold, warm, hot, whatever it is, you can use the word mir ist. Ist es dir so heiß? Are you too hot? Es ist so schwül, that is it is so humid. Ich schweiz, I am sweating. Es ist wunderschönes, schreckliches Wetter. It is beautiful, wonderful or terrible weather. So ein Mistwetter, such lousy weather. Es sieht nach Regen, Schnee, Gewitter aus. Rain, snow and thunderstorm. Es ist tolles Badewetter. It is great swimming or beach weather. Now, how you can ask about the weather? Wie ist das Wetter heute oder morgen? How is the weather today or tomorrow? Ist es warm, kalt, schön, schlecht? Is it warm, cold, good or bad? Wie ist die Wettervorhersage für heute Morgen? What is the weather forecast? Vorhersage. Wie viel Grad sind es? What is the temperature? What is the temperature? Wie warm, kalt ist es? How warm or cold is it? Talking about the weather. Es ist schönes, schlechtes Wetter. Es ist heiß. Es ist sonnig, befolgt, regnerisch, verschneit, windisch. Whatever you want to say, you can just add on with es ist. Die Sonne scheint. The sun is shining. Es windet. It's windy. Es schneit. It's snowing. That is all about this topic. You have lots of words and vocabularies to express your like Meinung, your opinion about the weather, and you can also use this to start a conversation with the stranger, with random people, or with the German persons. So just go through with these vocabularies, and better to learn those sentences. Till then, see you in the next session.